YN8047P, smoky exhaust.
What I think is it's safer for police to say no and for them to say yes. Even though like you technically can eat it because it's not pork. If we as a Muslim establishment said yes, then we are putting our
Turn right onto the slip road.
YN8047P.